It was just time to make a big change for our own peace of mind. We moved into this house in July of 2019. We've been here 7 years. Our issue was pretty simple. We had leaks in almost every room in this house, including the entryway, the garage, the master bedroom, in the dining room, along the chimney. It became just intolerable, and it was impossible to work with the previous roofing company under their warranty because it was just patchwork that never solved the problem.
We were having the previous company out 3 or 4 times a year for all 7 years. We know they were coming out before that. During heavy rain and storms, it was very nerve-wracking to sleep in our bedroom because one of the leaks was right on the nightstand next to my head.
We decided that we should replace the roof despite the fact the roof still had a valid warranty. We couldn't go away on a vacation and think that our house would be safe. We couldn't sleep at night in a heavy storm. It was just time to make a big change for our own peace of mind and for the preservation of this property. Since this roof has been on, which is a little less than 1 year now, we've had a massive snowfall, greater than 20 inches here. We've had some tremendous rainfalls and not a drop of water in the house. It's changed how we go to sleep at night, thinking I'm in a dry environment and I don't have to get up in the morning and look around to see where a new leak is.
We would definitely be recommending Able. They listened to us. They understood that there were some specific issues with the house that needed to be addressed, and they weren't trying to upsell us in something else that we didn't want. And they put on a good roof.
The proposal they brought in highlighted what the problems were and how they could solve them. And that was very different from the thinking that some other roofing companies brought to us. I'm a PhD engineer, and my PhD is in fluid dynamics. So it was very understandable to me what some of the problems were and what some of the problems weren't. And Able hit the nail on the head.